My name is Mads. I'm here to tell you about a project called Nordlyd. Nordlyd is about recording the sounds of our everyday surroundings and exchanging them between different places in the Nordic region and the Baltic countries. The reason why I find this interesting is because I think that environmental soundscape, as you call it, is closely linked to great social and political values of our identity. For example, I can listen to a lot of traffic noise in this place, but I can also hear a lot of recreational sounds like people playing, birds tweaking, etc., etc. And this indicates a great struggle between different kinds of activities needed in this area. So by listening to these sounds, I get a really good sense of what this area actually is all about. Now, I would like to exchange these kinds of environmental sounds because I think that when you listen to other people's environments, what is happening is that you actually put your own environment in a close perspective. So you make a comparison between different environments. I think this can be made possible by making a live streaming of recording of sounds. So I'm not looking for a project that sort of records sounds and sends them to another place and then is being played back at another time. I'm looking at a way to develop a technical digital solution to stream recording sounds from different places around the Nordic countries. I'm also looking for a project that can make possible staging of these events because I think it's not only a matter of technology, it's also a matter of cultural and physical innovation in a way. We need to set up venues that can make it more inviting to experience these phenomena. So my project is both of a great technological innovational value, but also of a great cultural value, because I think that you need to work a lot on setting up venues, making contact to local participants, local audience, local artists, in order to make this a good project. So this is in a very short manner what I'm aiming to do with the project Nordlyd, and I'm hoping very much to hear comments and critics and good advices from everybody looking at this. And I'll just say thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy your day as much as I'm enjoying this day right now. Bye bye.